Hello CoinEngineers, welcome back to our CoinEngineer channel, and today I'm gonna explain you everything, all of thing about the Binance Future. And after watching this video, completely watching this video, you will be able to use Binance Future and its own whole features like professional. Let's get started. First of all, you are seeing the graphic. I don't want to touch it, and I don't want to keep into the deal to give you any information too long because you are seeing probably if you are using the trading view, and you will absolutely know about the Binance futures, and then you are seeing some think MA moving averages. You can just click X if you want to remove clear your own chart, and then you can move it on using your own mouses. There are a lot of tools, you can use the tools, and then that's not a matter thing. The matter thing is there, and there, especially at the right side, because you will do everything at the there. And then first of all, you absolutely need to click there. If you want to choose Bitcoin USDT parity to do futures, you absolutely move your mouse, don't click anything, and then you will be able to scroll down to choose, for example, Ethereum USDT. And by the way, just move again, and then if you wanna determine some tokens, some altcoins and Bitcoin, just move first of all and click the star, and then after that you will see when you click favorites. Just I newly added BNB, and yes, at the above at the last of this list, at the end of this list, automatically will be added into my favorites. And then if you want to remove from your own favorites, just click that, and automatically it will remove from your own list. Yes, just into there you can take a look the price, the live price, and then you can take a look some guides if you need any trading rules, and then you will see into the market price, and that's the index price, and funding and cut down. That's the funding fee. If you are seeing at a minus 0 or minus percent, that means shorts will be paid something to longs. Vice versa, if you are seeing the plus percent into the year and green percent into the year, that means long will be paid to short. That's the just vice versa, A B and B A. Yes, 24 hours high, it was 4.7, 24-hour low points for today, I mean, was 4.25, and volume is $15 million, 24-hour volume USDT Autumn. That is the Atom parity, that is the USDT parity. That means $72 million is just 24-hour volume, and then you are seeing that if you want to see open interest, and then even you can click open interest if you want to get a lot of information, detailed data into there. Just click that. You can find out a lot of features, statistics, which one really completely 100% freely provided to its own users in Binance. Yes. And then if you are advanced, and if you know what is order book or trades, you can, if you can read and use it, predict upcoming prices into your own features, into your own chart. You can absolutely use trades, or I don't want to recommend that you had newly started to learn Binance Futures or other features on the centralized exchange, and in general how to trade. That's not your own current mission. Just keep it simple, yeah. But anyway, in case I wanna explain that also shortly, order book is just you are seeing prices where, for example, you are seeing that's a short. I mean, if everybody sells for example 5.40 thousand USDT, and that is the size, and that is the price where this amount had already sold from this price. I mean 4.43. I mean right now we are seeing, if you are taking a look order book, that means this size into this size. For example, from there any seller had already sold 5.5 thousand. Yes, that means if you wanna make it a short, make it a simple, and vice versa. That is a buy area. And trades, so you can take a look the time, amount, and prices, and what happened into the you if you want to learn, and if you want to predict account according to this information. Nevertheless, into the deal, you can choose cross and isolated. That's the social measure. If you are on the cross, that means you will use same margin assets. But into the isolated margin mode, you will manage just your own risk on individual positions by restricting the amount of margin allocated to each. And then if you want to choose isolated, just choose, click confirm, and cross, just confirm. Just first of all choose and then click confirm. You will see your own order will be preferred in the deal. And then if you want to set your own leverage, just click and fill this bar. And then if you want to increase one by one, just click plus or minus. That's it. After that, click confirm. You will see that is the own leverage amount, and you can change single asset mode, multi asset mode. If you want to trade with a lot of assets, you absolutely need multi assets, or just for example, right now we are just trading using atom parity, and that's why single asset mode is enough for us. And then if you want to just predict price, first of all will go into the deal and then increase there, and that's why you want to earn more. You don't want to click buy, but you absolutely cannot know when the price will drop 4.2 dollar and then increase 4.6, and that's why you absolutely need to use limit. And then for example, you are just predict first of all price will see 4.29, that's why just put 4.29, that's it. And then size 1000, for example, that's equal 333. And then if you want to use and do it same thing, I mean with bar, I mean click that. For example, you have 1000 USDT in your balance, you can fill it this bar as a 100%, and then that means you will use 1000 USDT and then take profit. Just you are thinking when the price go up, go to there, even we can do it, go to there. What is that? Like you are seeing 4.6. Yes, our take profit area is that, and then our entry from there, and then that's why according to our entry price we will determine our stop loss area. And yes, that's, I think that's enough. And then you can choose 4.21. Yes, why not? That can be our stop loss. And then you are thinking the price first of all go down and go up. That's why we want to see long position. Want to take long position, just click buy long. And first of all, you absolutely won't be able to see your own order into the deal because you had already choose limit. First of all, you have your 1000 USD balance. After clicking buy along with limit order, you won't be able to see your own 1000 USDT in your account. But don't worry, absolutely don't worry. Yes, you can't see your own position into the deal. But instead of that, first of all, you will see your own order into it, because that's your open orders. You had already paid 1000 USDT for that, for doing that, for taking a buy or long position. That means you had already opened your own order. But if you have any current and open order, I mean current order, I mean working order, you will see into the position area. Don't forget that. If you use limit order, first of all, you will see your open orders at open orders, and then, for example, ATM just drop down and got your entry. I mean, 4.29. That means automatically your own order will be transferred from open orders to positions. I mean, if you are seeing you had already paid 1000 USDT or more for your own orders, don't worry, you're not a Binance or your problem. Just take a look open orders, and in addition, you will see into there instead of 0 just 1. You will see 1 instead of 0 in below of open orders, and then after automatically transfer your own orders from open orders to positions, it will be, I mean, the one will be written into the positions, not orders. The orders will be in 0. Yes, I mean, I want to do it a lot of simple and much simple. That's why I explained that. If you think What happened to this guy about that? I just explain you. I just imagine you are newcomer, and I don't wanna see you worried as a worried man, especially the Binance futures or in general. Futures is more complicated and more stress is hammering. That's why I don't wanna see you. I say it again as a worried man. That's why. Yeah, just oh sorry man. No problem. Okay. We had already take a look to rates, order books. We had already got our positions. And by the way, same thing goes for sale. Just you are seeing the price will go down. Just set there as a your own chart and your own entry and take a profit from there. Not take a profit, stop loss from there and take profit from there, and that's it. Yes, order history, trade history, transaction history, they are just history. You can take a look and you can calculate, you can analyze your own last performance strategy. If you had already using GridBot or created GridBot, you can click create new GridBot. By the way, our last video had already released about GridBot. How can you use GridBot? What is the major things, what is the important things, what should you know about the Binance grid bots, grid trading bots before you started using it, and then you can take a look a lot of things. But into this video I don't want to touch it because just the video is belongs to newcomers and grid bot, especially creating new grid bot using signal trading, TWAP, CM grid and UM grid. That's much more and more complicated things than just explaining features. That's why into the other video I will directly show you how can you create your own new grid bot and how can you make a passive income while even you are sleeping. Yeah, but first of all, don't forget to watch our Binance grid trading bot video. Okay, I think we have no other thing, and if you want to switch between your account between, for example, portfolio margin account or UMCM account, doesn't matter, you are just switch and then share not share, just choose profile manager or just switch. And if right now that's our current mode, classic trading portfolio margin, if you want to use, just click that and click switch, you automatically will be directed to your own new account. Yes, I think we have no some other things, and then yes, we have no other things than you. Yeah, that's it about it. I had already showed you orders. Market orders is so easier than limit. Just put your USDT, take profit, stop loss. If you want, that's optional. You don't have to do that. And if you want to use take profit, stop loss, advance it, you can just click advanced button into the deal. You will see this screen, additional little screen, and into the deal you can just sell position, you can mark your own take profit, stop loss into the advanced screen. Or if you don't want to see advanced screen, if you want to confuse your own brain, just use take profit, put your own take profit and stop loss, and then click buy or sell. That's it, first of all. And directly into the deal you will be able to see your own position at the position. And then instead of limit order, you won't be able to see your own orders into the open order side because there are order opened automatically, market orders opened. Yeah, we had already successfully completed our next user guide about the Binance Future, and that was the Binance Future user guide from scratch. I hope you had already learned something from this video. I wish you will get a lot of monies, you will make a lot of monies from using this user guide. And if you liked our video, don't forget to support and subscribe our channel and following our socials, finding it at the description of this video. Yes, see you on the next push time.